Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Top 10 homeopathic remedies for hoarseness or aphonia. What is hoarseness or aphonia? Hoarseness is a condition characterized by changes in the pitch and quality of voice which may sound husky, scratchy and weak. What are the causes of hoarseness? Overuse or misuse of voice, infection of larynx by microbes like bacteria, virus, fungus, such and such, growth of vocal cords like cysts, papilloma, polyp, nodule, etc. Now vocal cord, what is vocal cord? Vocal cord actually has been shown here. This is a healthy larynx, image of a healthy larynx. In the larynx there are two cords by which sounds are produced. These are called vocal cords. This is healthy, this is diseased, inflamed. Acid reflux, this is a very good name. Actually this is technical. Gastroesophageal reflux disease. To be simple, it is some acid burning water just rising from the esophagus. Paralysis or hemorrhage of vocal cords, Parkinson's disease. Neurological affection of the area of the brain that controls the muscles of throat or larynx, that is the portion of the brain which controls. Now if that portion of brain is affected, then the whole thing, whole throat, larynx will be disturbed. Thyroid problems like hypothyroidism, laryngeal myxoma, another growth. It is also non-malignant. Cancer of larynx. It's a very common, very common thing. Now I have written here, not only laryngitis, there are so many conditions related to larynx that may cause hoarseness. Laryngitis, over and above laryngitis, there are so many different type of laryngeal diseases which can cause hoarseness. Please find the pamphlet on the next page. I have produced a pamphlet, that is a board, a placard like thing, where various larynx troubles have been mentioned. That is on the next page. I request you to please note this. This is the pamphlet which I was relating in the last slide. Vocal cord disorder. Vocal cord, mind it, vocal cord means larynx. Actually larynx, the component of larynx is mainly vocal cords. So these are almost synonymous. And what are the different types? Laryngitis already mentioned, polyp, cancer, nodule, paralysis, contact ulcer. All these 6 relates to larynx. What are symptoms of hoarseness? Altered pitch of voice, altered quality of voice, cough and cold, pain, tenderness, throat, extra strain to use voice, difficulty in swallowing, difficulty in breathing, fatigue. What can one do to keep off hoarseness? That is the prevention of hoarseness. Practically speaking, there are a very few measures one can take to minimize the chance of being attacked with hoarseness, like stop overusing or misusing voice, controlling smoking and other addictions, minimizing acid reflux if any with proper treatment, controlling hypothyroidism if any with proper treatment, gargling with saline water twice a day. Mind this gargling is not for throat pain or something like this. This is normal. While you are in good condition, there is no trouble in your throat, you want to just protect your throat, you can do this every day, or say one day with a gap of 1 day. You can do this. Keeping self well hydrated. can hoarseness be a sign of some fatal disease? Unfortunately, yes. Already have mentioned laryngeal cancer is such a fatal disease, and its incidence in Bangladesh and in India is about 8% in a lakh. Now we are taking up the remedies. Phatak for hoarseness, complete hoarseness, trouble of old and chronic type, sensation as if hot ball or lump in throat, cannot take warm drinks, specific for hoarseness after diphtheria. Specific for hoarseness after diphtheria, troubles worse at night, causticum for hoarseness. Throat dry, sore, hoarseness of singers and speakers, hoarseness due to cold with chest pain, continuous urge to swallow, patient too much sympathetic to others suffering. Hypersulfur hoarseness, throat full of flame, wheezing respiration with hoarseness, sensation of a plug and splinter or fish bone in the throat, patient fly into anger from trifles, words from cold and at night. Phosphorus for hoarseness. Paralysis of vocal cords, hoarseness due to weakness, troubles worse in morning and evening, better feeling from washing face with cold water, very much restless. 6. Sympathy. Gelsemiya for hoarseness, hoarseness of women during menstrual period, patients dull, dizzy, drowsy, tremble with depression, no thrust. No thrust is the characteristic of gelsemiya. Belladonna for hoarseness, after catching of cold in head, headache, hoarseness, worse feeling on right side, dark, drink in sips. The patient drinks in sip. Throat dry, hot. Must take a sip of drink to swallow solid food. Carbohydrates for hoarseness. Trouble in evening after dinner during conversation. Burning in throat, cough of fetid flame with hemoptysis. Patient wants fanning on face from a close distance. Calibicromicum for hoarseness. In evening or when body surface is denuded, hoarseness and yellow stringy rope like mucus comes out. Pain shifts quickly. Pain subsides quickly. Edematous swelling of uvula but little redness. Antimcrude for hoarseness. Aphonia from becoming overheated. Burning sensation in chest with oppressed breathing. Arnica mont for hoarseness. Aphonia of singers or speakers due to overuse of voice box, colds or getting wet. Patient cough in sleep without waking. Dyspnea with hemoptysis. On the right hand side, hoarseness is mostly acute or seldom, may be chronic depending on the history in cases. In acute cases, use 3 to 30 potency in short interval. In chronic cases, use potency 200 onwards with suitable interval. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. If you got any problem, please write it in the comment section. I will certainly attend.